Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something really exciting that could put some serious cash back in your pocket, the Temu affiliate program. If you love shopping on Temu and want to earn money just by sharing your favorite finds, you're in the right place. We're talking about the potential to earn up to a 30% commission on orders from new users you refer. That's a huge opportunity, and I'm going to walk you through exactly how to get started, step by step. It's way easier than you think, so let's jump right in and turn your scrolling time into earning time. First things first, let's get you signed up. The whole process is super straightforward. All you need to do is head over to the Temu affiliate program page. You can easily find this by searching for Temu affiliate program on Google, or I'll drop a direct link in the description below to make it even simpler for you. Once you're on the page, you'll see a sign up button. Click on that, and it will prompt you to create an account. You'll fill in some basic information, and just like that, you're in. The best part, it's completely free to join. There are no hidden fees or startup costs. You just sign up, and you're ready for the next step. Okay, so you've created your account. Congratulations, you're officially a Temu affiliate. Now, what's next? You need to get your unique affiliate link and code. This is the special link that tracks all the people you send to Temu. Inside your new affiliate dashboard, you'll find a section specifically for your promotional tools. It's usually labeled something like My Link or Affiliate Code. In this section, you'll see your unique link and a corresponding code. You can just click a button to copy it. This link is your key to earning commissions, so keep it handy. Every time someone clicks your link, downloads the Temu app, and makes a purchase, the system knows it came from you. It's that simple. Now for the fun part, promoting your link and making money. You have your unique link, so where do you share it? The possibilities are endless. If you're active on social media like TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook, you can create posts or videos showcasing cool products you found on Temu. Think unboxing videos, top 5 finds, or what I got for under $20. Just add your affiliate link to your bio or in the video description. If you have a blog or a website, you can write review articles or create gift guides and embed your link naturally within the text. You can even share it in community groups on Facebook or Reddit, as long as it's allowed by the group's rules. The key is to be genuine and share products you actually like. People trust real recommendations. So, you're sharing your link and people are starting to click. How do you know if you're making money? This is where your affiliate dashboard comes in. It's your mission control center for everything related to your earnings. When you log in, you'll see a clear overview of your performance. You can track how many people have clicked your link, how many have downloaded the app through your referral, and most importantly, how much commission you've earned. It's all updated in near real time, so you can see what's working and what's not. For example, if you see a big spike in clicks after posting a certain video, you know that type of content is a winner. To maximize your earnings, I suggest focusing on trending products or seasonal deals. Creating engaging content, like short-form videos showing the product in action, is also super effective. And there you have it, a complete guide to getting started with the Temu affiliate program. To recap, all you do is sign up for free on their affiliate page, grab your unique link from your dashboard, share it across your social media or blog, and then track your earnings as they roll in. It is a fantastic way to earn some extra income by doing something you probably already do, sharing cool stuff you find online. If you've been looking for a simple side hustle, this is definitely one to consider. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Now go get started, and I'll see you in the next one.